Hey there, beautiful souls. It's Shireen from Remedies Insider, and welcome to our channel. If you've ever felt self-conscious about those pesky dark inner thighs, then today's video is tailor-made just for you. We're diving into a natural solution that might just be hiding in your kitchen cupboard, the incredible baking soda. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind banishing those stubborn shadows and embracing radiant confidence. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe because flawless skin and self-love are just a sprinkle of baking soda away. Let's illuminate those inner thighs together. Having dark inner thighs is actually a really common issue that affects so many people. It can happen for a variety of reasons: friction from your thighs rubbing together, excessive sweating, hormonal changes, and more. Regardless of what's causing it, I know how frustrating it can be to deal with discoloration on your thighs. The good news is there are lots of natural remedies that can help, and baking soda is one of the most effective options. Baking soda is amazing for gently exfoliating and bleaching the skin, which helps to slough off those dead skin cells and reveal fresh, new skin underneath. It also helps to balance the pH of the skin, control oil production, and improve blood flow. All of this works together to lighten and brighten the skin on your thighs, literally. One of the best things about using baking soda is that it's incredibly cheap and easy to find. You can pick up a box at any grocery store for just a couple of bucks. I like to get aluminum-free baking soda, but any kind will work. For this remedy, you'll need 1 tablespoon of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of raw honey, 1 teaspoon of water, cotton pads, or a washcloth. First, let's mix up our solution. In a small bowl, combine the baking soda, honey, and water. The honey helps to moisturize the skin while also enhancing the effects of the baking soda. Stir it up until it forms a spreadable paste. Next, apply the mixture directly to the darkened areas on your thighs. You can use a cotton pad, your fingers, or a washcloth, whatever works best for you. Gently massage the paste into your skin using circular motions. This helps exfoliate those dead skin cells. Spend about 2 minutes massaging it in. After massaging, leave the paste on for an additional 3 minutes. This gives the baking soda time to really work its magic. You'll feel a slight tingle, which is totally normal. The baking soda is activating and doing its thing. Finally, rinse the mixture off with warm water and pat your skin dry. I recommend doing this remedy 2 to 3 times per week for the best results. Research shows that baking soda can inhibit the production of melanin, which is the pigment responsible for skin discoloration. So it literally stops our body from creating as much pigment in those areas. Pretty cool, right? Some extra tips for getting optimal results. Number 1, exfoliate your thighs daily in the shower with a scrub to reveal new skin. Number 2, stay hydrated. Drink at least 8 glasses of water daily. Number 3, apply a moisturizer after using the baking soda to prevent dryness. And number 4, avoid sun exposure when possible to prevent further discoloration. Number 5, consider using potato juice or apple cider vinegar as well for lightening effects. Be patient, as it may take 2 to 3 weeks of consistent use to see major improvements. But trust me, baking soda really does work to naturally lighten and brighten the skin with continued use. Plus, it's so inexpensive and accessible. Just mix a bit up anytime your thighs are looking dingy. Let me know if you end up trying this simple baking soda remedy for yourself. I'd love to hear your results and if it helps to get your thighs glowing again. Now, before you run off, I do have a special gift for you. If you haven't already, make sure you click the link in the description or pinned comment and head on over to our blog and pick up your free home remedy book with over 2,000 homemade and natural remedies in it. It's 100% free, and I know you will love it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends. Also, please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video, as we're posting new natural health and nutrition content every week. And if you made it this far, thanks for watching and have a great day or night. Take care and God bless.